Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmed Raza with my group member Muhammad Bilal Hassan, and today we are going to present a paper named Forensic Analysis of Telegram Messenger on Android Smartphones by the following authors in the year 2017. Telegram is an instant messaging platform. In addition to legitimate users, instant messaging services are very popular also among criminals that use them for their communications, as they make it harder than traditional communication means to link the real identity of a person to an account he or she uses. And more often they use end-to-end encryption to escape interception. Most prominent mobile forensic platforms are able to decode the various data stored on Telegram Messenger. They do not provide any explanation of how this decoding is performed, nor they provide any guidance on how to correlate different pieces of evidence to completely reconstruct users' activities. Thus, it is impossible to assess the completeness and the correctness of the results generated by them. Contribution of this paper is to present a forensic analysis methodology for applications running on Android, identify all the forensically relevant artifacts, determine the structure and format of these artifacts, map the data stored by Telegram Messenger to the user actions that generated it. Finally, recover the contacts, messages, and voice call logs. Smartphone forensics has been widely studied in the recent literature, for example WhatsApp, WeChat, ChatSecure, but none of these above papers have, however, focuses on Telegram Messenger, which is instead the focus of where a methodology for its forensic analysis on the Windows platform is presented. The paper differs from these one in two different regards. First, the methodology is more general here. The structure and the interpretation of the artifacts generated by the messenger on Android are significantly different from those generated on Windows Phone's devices.
Let's talk about the paper methodology. For completeness, the author execute experiment in a systematic way and by resorting to source code analysis to gather additional insights into the behavior of the application and in the way it encodes the data it stores locally. And to achieve generality and repeatability, author resort to realized mobile devices instead of physical ones. The overall methodology can be divided into two individual but independent steps. First, the installation of application is carried out, then the data stored in the internal memory of the smartphone during the installation process are identified. Second, the analysis of application functionalities. The functionalities are provided as input to the subsequent phase where it defines a set of experiments that emulate a user who exercise them to elicit the applications to generate and store data on the memory of the device. The forensic of the application is spread out to the following 4 points, which includes Telegram user accounts, contacts, message exchange, dialogues, and voice calls. The paper finally presents at the end of each experiment the artifacts created in its steps that may be correlated to carry out more complete reconstructions of user actions. The result provide analysts with the full pictures concerning the decoding, interpretation, and correlation of Telegram Messenger artifacts on Android devices. They present a benchmark against which the ability of mobile forensic platform to retrieve and correctly decode all the Telegram Messenger artifacts can be assessed. The paper planned to investigate the extension of our methodology to other mobile platforms, most notably iOS and Windows phones. Once the methodology has been extended, it will be possible to analyze Telegram Messenger as well as other applications on these mobile platforms. Thank you.